Leaves are falling down like teardrops from the sky.
Alright, today we're going to, DI number 1 is going to be hot chocolate. So y'all seen everybody make these. These are our grape juice. We do the sparkling grape juice, and this is what we drink it in. But I took 2 out before I could make these. You need your paint. I'm doing cinnamon, ground cinnamon for the smell. And I got my homemade sprinkles. I don't know which ones I'm going to use yet. Need your piping bag. You're going to need your spackle. I'll write everything down in below in the description box. And I don't have any cinnamon. I don't eat cinnamon like that. Cinnamon sticks. So these are off my crepe myrtle tree. It's the skin of the tree, the bark. And it rolls off just like cinnamon sticks. So we're going to use this. I'm going to cut them up in pieces and we're going to use it. You gotta think outside the box, y'all. I don't know if y'all have crepe myrtles, but I do because my husband's from Louisiana, and so I planted one here in Kentucky, and it's big as our house. Or as tall as our house, I should say. So I'm gonna get everything together and we're gonna start crafting, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these painted. Or you need your piping bag. And tips, if you, whatever tips you're gonna use. I think I'm gonna paint them milk chocolate. Because we don't do our chocolate like light colored. Our chocolate's always dark. Oh, and whatever you're going to do for the top. A lot of people just cut cardboards and stuff like that. And this came out of, I think it was my Halloween cups. I had 6 of them. So if it was a bigger cup, I could just set it down in here like that. Because it's not, I'm just going to cut it, turn it over like this. And it's a little bit big. I'm going to glue it there. And what I'm going to do is take some scissors and just cut along the edge right here. And that way I can use this. Yeah, I think, yeah. I might cut here on the top. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut around the top right here. And it's still going to be big enough. Okay. And I got ground cinnamon to sprinkle it on. But I think this is about the color of my hot chocolate. I tried to order some colors of paint from Apple Barrel when Walmart had their school sale, but because this was multi-surface, it wasn't on sale. And you're just going to paint the inside. Y'all seen probably about 100 YouTubers do this. I mean, it's been around for a while. Ooh, that's enough for both of them. That's going to take a couple coats. Messy. Y'all know that. I'm going to let this dry some. I'll probably just use my hair dryer out. Well, it just don't want to stay on the bottom, does it? Look at that. This is, we use this all the time. So let me get my hair dryer out and I'll be right back and get them dried. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the second coat. I think I got it dry enough. That looks good except for the bottom. We're going to let that set. And while we're letting it set, now I done lost my tops. Alright, where are you at? Of course, they're probably right here in front of me because they are see-through. I can't see them. Oh, there they are, over here. I am messy. Okay, let's see. I got two. So I'm going to try to go up here and cut right on the edge. So it's going to hang over a little bit, but that's for the icing, or the Cool Whip I should say, not icing, and I can still hot glue it down to it. And my daughter and her family came down this weekend and she gave me one of these. I always wanted to try the Witch's Brew, and it is so good, but I'm going to try not to get hooked on them because you can't find them anywhere. So, but this is so good, y'all. She gave me a mini. Good, good, good. Okay, what I did was went ahead and put just a little bit of water in this one. It's almost empty, where it's a little runny. And I'm just going to squish it around the bottom, because I really don't want to waste my good paint on the bottom, which nobody's going to see. See? Okay, we're going to let that dry. We're going to put the tops on. I don't know. Just glue it on. You don't have to have a lot, just to make sure that it stays on. I don't want to glue my hands. I gotta find some styrofoam to go right here, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna get my whip ready, same as doing the ice cream. We'll fill our piping bag up. I don't even remember if this was, I'm sure it was either the dollar store or the Amazon ones. I don't even remember. I ordered so many back in the day. Okay, I got my piping bag full for right now. Probably just enough for one. I'll try to get it down there as far as I can. Let me go ahead and cut it. I don't want it to be as big as the ice cream, but I don't want it to be small. So hopefully I can get a good medium. And I probably should have made these a little bit bigger. I just glued on some styrofoam. And here we go, y'all. Yeah, I should have. Went bigger with the styrofoam. I'm just going to build it up here. Okay. Okay. I don't really want to get it all over my hoodie. I think this one, I'm going to put the cinnamon all over. Yep. We're just going to, oh Lord Jesus. Y'all seen it, right? Oh my goodness. Well, I guess it's getting a healthy thing of, ooh. It's a new bottle I never use. It smells good. Okay. Ooh, doggy. Let me get these sleeves up, y'all. Oh, that's okay. Alright, for the... Since I don't have cinnamon sticks, remember I got these from my tree. I think this one's the best one for right now. This one. So what I'm going to do is, I'll try with a knife first. Let's come off my crepe myrtle. Don't want to dig on it too much. Oh no. Okay, better to just cut it than try gnawing on it. Okay, so I'm gonna, should I go like that or like that? Okay, that's my hot chocolate for this one. Get that paint booger off, I mean that hot glue booger. Okay, I made a mess. I hope y'all got a laugh out of that just then, because I sure did. All right, let me time out it and clean up some cinnamon. Y'all can just smell my craft room right now. It smells so good with all this cinnamon. I hope I got enough. Okay, this one, shoot, I know it's not going to be enough right here. Oh well, we're just going to go with it like this. I'll just put a little extra right here. Oh, that's what's wrong. I don't have my spinny thing. Hold on, y'all. Okay, let's try this again. And we're going to cut a bigger hole. Waste not, want not. Okay, y'all ready? See how much better it goes when you have your spinny thing? There we go. Woohoo! Okay, now this one, might as well leave it on here. It's going to get sprinkles. I was going to do the chocolate. I might put some chocolate on that. What do y'all think? I think this one I'm going to make it like candy cane. The orange, the white and orange. Yeah. That's what we're going to do here. Okay. Now let me take the thingy. Get this out of the way. It should be sticking better than that. Of course, my sprinkles are huge. I need to put them underneath a knife and cut them more. Baby Daryl. Alright, hold on 1 second and let me get the orange ones. I would love to have Glitz and Glue buy some of her air foam clay, but I just don't know if I make this stuff enough. Okay, here is my candy corn one. I probably should have put Mod Podge on it, but here is my hot chocolate one. Okay, here are my two fake bake hot chocolates. Yeah, that chocolate ain't gonna stay on there. It's okay. I think next time I'll just wait and put Mod Podge and sprinkle them. So I don't know how much this is gonna stay on there, but I will tell y'all after it's formed. So cool, so cool, so cool.